Although I didn't want to tile the whole bathroom, I usually like to mix tiles and paint or plaster or different materials. So in here I only tiled the shower corner, and other than that I will use, or other surfaces I will cover with paint. And I chose like the special paint for bathrooms, and this paint I'm using it first time. You can actually use it in the shower corner itself, so it has some antibacterial properties, anti-molding properties. It's strong, you can clean it. So nowadays there's a lot of options to paint the bathroom. And of course I'm painting the surfaces which are not going to get much water. Maybe the wall behind the sink, but yeah, it makes bathroom a bit warmer if you don't cover all the walls with tiles, in my opinion. So I tend to use as less tiles as possible in the bathrooms. But of course, it's a matter of taste. So before painting the walls, I plastered the walls using mud for like bathrooms, and then of course I sanded the surface, and then I added primer, and also I added some acrylic sealant in the corners. So I will cover the walls with the first layer of paint. Then I'm using my light to see if I have any like small holes, or maybe I need to add some plaster, and then I will add second coat. And the paint, it's going to be coconut white, and yeah, and I covered the floor with plastic wrapping, and I also used like painter's tape, so I don't want to mess up the tile work. You can do this like painting the walls before tiling as well, but for me it just happened to be so that I'm doing it in that order. So before final coat of paint, I did some minor repairs. So I'm going to sand these now, and then I will cover the walls with final coat of paint.